next stop to Antigua?
Don't know yet, mate. I'm still trying to work it all out.
Yeah.
But it shouldn't be too long. I want to go out and run the boat and get ready for the winter.
I think Adam's going out there on his honeymoon or something. Antigua, I think.
Is he?
Yeah, I think so.
When's he getting married?
July.
Fucking hell. Got his honeymoon booked yet?
Yeah, I'm not sure. I know that's very, because he was looking at a few Caribbean places, and I think they've decided on Antigua and that, because he wants to go there fishing and all that kind of stuff.
Have a chat with him.
Yeah, yeah.
If he was there at the same time,
Oh, don't he'd love it, mate, wouldn't he? If he tried to wait for it every day.
he wouldn't get any romantic stuff. Behind the boat.
Oh yeah. Probably cold as well, isn't it? Yeah.